We are Popcorn Ceiling Solution, your stretch ceiling consultants. We solve ceiling and lighting problems when traditional methods fall short. Our products and services are adding to property value all over the United States. Do you want to get rid of an old popcorn, rough, or damaged, unsightly ceiling? Our stretch system installers deliver a flawless, high-gloss or matte ceiling finish every time. Our ceiling surface is so flat it is smoother than the finish achieved through skim coating. Do you need better overhead lighting? Our contractors can install LED recessed or pendant lighting anywhere, even in buildings with concrete ceilings. We get it. No one wants to give up ceiling height. It takes only 1 inch to install our stretch ceiling. All the wiring and the lights are installed in this small 1-inch space. Avoid expensive asbestos remediation and safely encapsulate your asbestos-containing popcorn ceiling with our new modern ceiling system. Ready to learn more? Contact us to get a quote on your ceiling project. Together, with your local installer, we will design the ceiling solution that fits your building, your aesthetic, and your budget.